The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, bagi kiwai. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak sau pun rewlak. Just wow.
Kinong yalam ka all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA, but all Shillong Tourist Taxi Association ASTTA, haring kat kiwai kisinjuk nong nya kali tourist na kajilla. Kila pen bana ban ailat ki kali tourist na Assam, ban yai ban yeng ko majulong baro shikata, hadien ka jeng kren ba sembut menteri rangba, uba snyo bahalang dhar, ubala ong ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kan kren ba ka sarkar Assam, halwar ki jing e ajung ki hashwa ka shpotrek unai luar aja arpun rio. Kani kajing pen bana kade hadien kajing yalang ka hak arkulai tarik unaila aja arpun rio hadien bagi nong yalam ne kisinjuk nong nya kali tourist kila syak khot ban kren na kajing beteng pen pai jing ki ka kali tourist na Assam dak ba pakhang ha fly over lad umroi na do ka apartment stamp Hinrei haba gi nong yalam bekin tup yo ba a dotling president AKMTTA u Antolius B Marak President ka ASTTA, but kiwai kilawan pai shi jaka bapak hangi ki kali Assam, ban pen banai ki jingmi na kajing kren bak sarkar, Henry Bone ki kim hun satya, but kwa ban beteng pakhang bet. Kumta kalami biang kajing temuan pakhang bet, but kani kalapoi kubor cik bor penyat district ribhoi, hakabau Abhishek Saini Deputy Commissioner, lem ugiri Prasad ubreu SP, kilawan banik kren bat kintu ban up ya kapor kumbalai kren ha kajing yalang. Kisenjuk nong nya kali tourist gedang persyang ban pen tad hadu baki bor penyat district, kila ong balada kimnya pra hapo shtengenta, kum ki bor penyat district kim ban se ban lea dekakam. Layu i rui ki bor Pulit CRPF kilawan bat long pen krea ban ne AA lada ki nong nya kali tourist, kimnya pra na kate ki jaka. Kam hadien ki nong yalam kisenjuk nong nya kali tourist kila pen bana, bekin up ya kapor kebalai kren ha secretariat, ha kapor minsngi. But I bag sarkar Meghalaya kan kren bag sarkar Assam, hashwa ka shpotrek unai luar aja arpun rio. Shu la ong batang shipwa na ka Byrngem ki bor penyat district, ki nong nya kali tourist kila pet no na kate ki jaka.
We'll discuss then what we will decide. Day one, that is, we will stop the vehicle. I see. I obey what we have to say. Yes. If that is not satisfactory, okay, because they already spoke up. So I can tell them like that. Okay. I want to have lunch also. Gives me that is to call everyone because who represent them. Tell them how to do. And once we unnecessary more than 5%
already enforced. Yes, so we are requesting and we are saying very nicely that whatever decision has been taken, that has been implemented. All your complaints, that nodal officer, everything will be done. Okay, your grievances will be heard. That is our responsibility. We are telling again and again. Your safety in Assam side, that we will ensure, talking to our counterparts there. But you have to tell them that they have to disperse. Otherwise, order is in place. Okay. So you let us not do everything peacefully.
Be unnecessary in picture.
Peacefully and very much friendly.
Okay. So you please discuss with them. If they are not listening to you, then law will take you. Okay. Take half an hour. Nothing to discuss. Call a shorty.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ye ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yeki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yeki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya